This video is types of vectors. So how many types of vectors are there? See, first one like vectors, second one unlike vectors, third one co-initial vectors, fourth co-terminal vectors, fifth one collinear vectors, sixth one coplanar and negative vectors, equal vectors, null vector or zero vector. So null vector is also called as the zero vector. And next one is the proper vector and position vector and last unit vectors. So these are the types of vectors. Let us see one by one definition of vectors. First one is the like vectors. Like vectors means, see first like vectors. What are the like vectors means? The vectors which have different magnitude and same direction. Those vectors are called the like vectors. Already in the previous video, a graphical method of vectors I explained it. So the straight line indicates the magnitude of the vector and the arrow headed is there, that is indicates the direction. So see here, A vector magnitude and the B vector magnitude both are different. So both are not equal, different magnitudes, but both are in the same direction. Then these two vectors we can call the like vectors. So now let's see the second one, unlike vectors. Unlike vectors means the vectors which have different magnitude and different direction. So different magnitudes and A in one this direction and B in another direction. So these vectors are called the unlike vectors. Now coming to third one, the vectors both. So if you take the two vectors or three vectors, the vectors which have the same initial point. So like this. So this is the initial point. Both vectors having the same initial point. These vectors we can call the co-initial vectors. Next, fourth one is co-terminal vector. So in these vectors, the vectors have the same terminal point. So these vectors are called that co-terminal vectors. So see here, the vectors which have the same initial point, so that they starts from here, these vectors are called the co-initial vectors. See this one, the terminal points have the same terminal point. These vectors are called the co-terminal vectors. So next one, coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors means vectors lying in the same plane or parallel planes are called coplanar vectors. Suppose like this board is a one plane, just simple. So here two vectors are there. These two vectors we can call the coplanar vectors. Suppose see here, this is the plane. So A bar and B bar are the two vectors. Those are on the same plane. This is the plane. So these vectors are called coplanar vectors. Or second one here there, the parallel planes. Suppose we can take another plane. So see, when these two planes are, if it is both are in the parallel. So parallel means these two vectors A, B, C, D, those are called the coplanar vectors. Here two conditions. If the vectors are in the same plane, those vectors are called coplanar vectors. If the two planes are parallel, so parallel to each other, then the vectors are on the planes are coplanar vectors. So in this case, A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, all these four vectors are the coplanar when the two are in parallel. So if you are taking the same plane, here A bar and B bar are the plane coplanar vectors. Sixth one, negative vectors. So negative vectors means the vectors which have same magnitude and different direction. So let's draw the diagram. This is the A bar and here they mention the same magnitude. So this line is same. This is indicates the magnitude. So same, but the direction is different. These are called the negative vectors. Next one, equal vectors. Equal vectors means two vectors are said to be equal if both magnitude and direction are same. So in the before negative vectors, same magnitude but opposite direction. But here same magnitude and same direction. Those vectors are called the equal vectors. Same magnitude and same direction. Next one is null vector or zero vector. A vector whose initial and terminal, initial is nothing but origin and the terminus coincide is called the null vector. Or simply we can say that magnitude of the vector is 0. So the magnitude of a null vector is 0. So which vector having the 0 magnitude, those vectors are called null vector or 0 vector. Next one, proper vector. Proper vector means a vector whose magnitude is not equals to 0. Not equals to 0, that we can call the proper vectors. That means all vectors we can call the proper vector except null vector. Because of null vector, that vector having the 0 magnitude, right? So we not considering null vector, remaining all vectors under the proper vectors, like a like vector, unlike vector, co-initial vector, co-terminal vector. So every vector will comes under the proper vector. Every vector we can call the proper vector except that null vector. Next one, position vector. A vector which starts from at a origin of the coordinate system. You know that coordinate system x, y and z. 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional is there. So here the origin, the vector starts from the origin of the coordinate system and terminates at a point in the coordinate system. So that we can see how can you draw that. So we know that coordinate system means we can take the x-axis and y-axis. So this is the origin of the coordinate system. Now the vector starts from that here. So the vector starts here and it is terminated in the coordinate system. So this is the position vector. Simply we can say that this is the position of the object. Suppose anything, position of the particle. We want to say the position of this particle in the form of vector. We can take the coordinate system. From the origin to that particle we can draw the vector. So this we can call the vector, position vector.